Right, we've just decided that today, I'll hold this just in case, we're gonna shoot a what I eat in a day. Mainly because I forgot to eat this morning. Normally, by the time the team gets here, I've already had some of my food, but I haven't. So today, what I eat in a day and why. I'm gonna break it down why I'm eating these different things, starting with coconut water. And I did actually have creatine and water this morning. But we'll film the rest of the stuff today, let you guys know exactly what's going into this body. And also with these guys. Say hi, guys. Gonna head back to the video in a sec, get the first meal in, and I'll catch you guys there. Okay, normally I'd do this much earlier, but like I said, I missed this and I've already gone out to work. So this is a good chance to show you guys because normally when I'm doing this, it's like 5:30 and I can't be bothered to film, so this is good. So we're gonna start off with a whole flask full of water, cold water. I add creatine into that, which I already had, and I have an iron tablet. Then we have this magical juice that I have every morning. In here, we've got a mixture. I'm gonna take that bit out because yum. We have it's called something called Radiant Glow. It's basically aloe vera and passion fruit. We have turmeric and pure ginger. So I do half a bottle each day, a nice big juicy shot. Like I said, I normally have this earlier, so that helps wake me up. Oh, that's strong today. After this, what I'll do is I'll get ready. Sorry, that's made my eyes water. After this, I'll get ready. Then I'll come back, I'll do a yogurt bowl, which I'm gonna show you, I'll make it in a sec, and some supplements. So I'm gonna do a little bit more work, let this go down, and then I'll show you exactly what goes in the yogurt bowl. I have this every morning, without fail, except today, but I'm still doing it. Okay, so for the first meal, that's Intan sneezing. Plain Greek yogurt, and then inside this, the same every day. We're gonna do 5 grams of chia seeds. We're gonna do 2 Brazil nuts, 3 walnuts, and then 2 dates and 10 grams of dark chocolate. Luckily for me, stay there 1 sec. I already have one of these that I haven't used yet. In here is exactly what I just said, plus a scoop of whey protein. So what I'll normally do, that'll do. And then inside, everything I just said, Brazil nuts, walnuts, whey protein, dark chocolate, dates, chia seeds, all going inside. And then in the morning, what I'll do is mix this up and eat it whilst doing steps. So I'll just walk back and forth, up and down the villa, mixing this in. It looks like it won't mix, but it does. When I can be bothered, I put raspberries in here as well. But sometimes I have frozen raspberries, but I don't like them frozen in here. So when I remember, I kind of like, I defrost some and then put it in the next morning. So this is how it looks.
Wow.
We've got some good fats, we've got high protein. So this is it. I'm gonna eat this now and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna have for the next meal. Cheers. Okay, meal 1. Not meal 2, but like first proper meal. So first we have a juice. And in here is a scoop of 2 scoops of psyllium husk. So this is soluble fiber. This is gonna be good for gut health, bowel movements, obviously getting your high fiber, which is gonna benefit cholesterol levels. And if you also help control blood sugar levels, gonna get less of a spike. And it will help, if you have this before your meals, it help with appetite a little bit. Normally I would have this maybe half an hour before this meal, but I'm quite tight on time today because I'm still catching up. So first proper meal, we've got an omelette. In here we've got a little bit of feta and some peppers and some spinach. We've then got 2 grilled barramundi fillets and some avocado. For the carbs, this is technically pre-workout meal as well. We've got some gluten-free porridge with some almond milk, some bananas and some berries. So I've been eating this every day recently. Pretty clean, and I feel good training oddness after this. So we're gonna eat this now. Again, I would have had this a little bit earlier normally, but we're just a bit behind. And that's why I've used this day I've used this as a day to show you, because it just means everyone's here with me and it's easier to do. So yeah, I'm gonna tuck into this. I will train in probably about an hour and a half. So that'll be enough time for this to go down. We do have a little pre-workout snack, and we'll also take some supplements with this meal. I'll run through supplements later on, and so I'm gonna tuck into this, and then we'll get ready for the gym. Right, packing all of this in together. We've got supplements, and we're gonna take some omega-3 as well, and then head into the gym. Got a little pre-workout snack. It's just some rice cakes with a bit of yogurt and a bit of honey, just something to dip it in. Then we have, this is L-citrulline and beetroot extract. It's gonna help us with training, give us a little bit of a pump, some more water, some more creatine, and then we train. I think that's it. Yeah, so supplements now. Gonna wait I should have had this earlier. Normally, it's a bit of a mess today, to be honest, but still it works. Better to get it in at the wrong time than not get it in at all, you know? So we're gonna do that now, wait 20 minutes, pre-workout snack, pumps ups, water, and gym. All right guys, we'll just show you what we're having whilst we're here. We had one of these filled with water and creatine. Then we have another one filled with water and collagen and vitamin C. Collagen underrated for post-workout or intra-workout. I'll explain it in another video. Or if you really want to know, just message me. We're then gonna have some coconut water, a beetroot shot at the end, and then we'll go into a post-workout snack and then meal. But I'll show you guys when we get there. I'll show you exactly what I'm having. It's super simple, super quick, super easy. It just makes it, I'll show you when we get there. For now, we'll finish this. Alright guys, we finished training. We're gonna do it's chilly outside the ice bath. We're gonna do a little post-workout snack. We're gonna sit somewhere comfortable. I got cramp in my toe, wait. It's cold today because there's a wind. All right, so post-workout, we've just finished. We've got, Yoga's just given me some coconut water and a shot of beetroot juice. Thank you, bro. Then we've got some rice cakes. They're just very quick, easy to eat, fast absorbing carbohydrates. And in here we've got some more Greek yogurt, more protein powder, and dark chocolate in here. Wow. So it's a quick, like 30 grams of protein in this one. I've got to get out, it's so cold today. So yeah, and then we're gonna actually order some food, order a proper meal when we get back to the villa, because I'm hungry and I know this is not gonna fill me up. We're doing this to get some quick carbs in, keep the proteins high, and then we'll get home and have a proper meal. So I'll enjoy this in the ice bath. I'm sure these guys will all join me. You gonna come join me in here? It's really nice today.
Yeah?
Yeah, try. And we'll see you back at the villa. Okay, so we've ended the work day, team work day. Mine's still going. Sat here on my laptop, got a few things to do, but this is the post-workout meal, I guess. We've got 2 chicken breasts. Kind of boring, I know, but when you wrap it in lettuce, it sounds boring as well still, and there's this truffle aioli. I use just a tad, just a tiny little like dip, a game changer. Then I've got this watermelon salad, watermelon, red onion, olives, feta, and some olive oil. I'm just going over that. And today we have some on gluten-free toast. That's a smashed patty. Guys, this is just beef. This is just minced beef, flattened down, 4 of them, gluten-free bread. I just checked my macros. I've got about 700 calories left, so I will need something later on. But whatever it is, I don't know what it is yet. I'll tune in with you guys, let you know. Gonna tuck into this one, finish off some work, and then I might go in the pool. We'll see. But I'm on my own now, just chilling. This is probably where I'm most productive, to be honest. I'm probably just gonna fly through some work right now. But we'll see. Guys, I am tired. I really didn't want to do this. I was in my room and I'm like, no, I'm done filming. But I came back, I'm doing this for you guys. Last meal. We have, this does not look appetizing, but trust me, it's good. We've got a beef rendang. We've got some green veggies. And we've got some rice and a watermelon juice. I promise you this is much nicer than it looks. I'm getting tired and I need to, normally I try to finish eating 2 hours before I sleep. So this means I've got to stay awake for another 2 hours. So I'm gonna eat this. Oh, and then I've got some magnesium, L-theanine, and glycine. And I've got some more coconut water. So we're gonna eat this. This will be the end of the video. Guys, subscribe. Check it out. Don't just watch, subscribe. And I promise you there's a lot more videos coming. And some of them, all of them are gonna be very good, really good. I'm tired, I'm going. See you later.